my dear students. How are you? I hope all are good. Today, let me start SST chapter number 16. Ride in a spacecraft. Means, in this chapter, you will learn about the ride in a spacecraft. ठीक है, स्पेस के बारे में हम जानेंगे. The scientific study of stars and planets is known as astronomy. An astronomer is a scientist who studies astronomy. Astronomers study the object we can see in the sky. So, you must have noticed that many changes take place in the sky during the course of a day. The clouds change their shape and position in the sky. The sun changes its position in a fixed pattern every day. So, every morning the sun rises in the east. It gives off heat and light. It keeps getting brighter during the course of the day till noon. At noon, the sun is at its highest point in the sky. This is the hottest and brightest time of the day. By evening, the sun moves across the sky and begins to sit in the west. So the sky becomes less bright and the air becomes cooler. There is no sun in the night sky. The sky is dark and the air is cool. So the moon and the stars become visible once the sun sets. जब सूरज छिप जाता है तो तारे और चांद हमें तभी दिखाई देते हैं. Have you ever wondered why the sun rises and sets? Actually, it doesn't. The sun is always shining its place. It just look as if it rises and sets every day. Every day. That is because the earth is rotate. है ना? Moves in a circular motion or rotates all the time. So when the part of the earth on which we are living moves towards the sun, it seems to rise. So when the part of the earth on which we are living rotates away from the sun, it seems to set. So the earth also moves in a fixed path of revolves around the sun. So the revolution of the earth around the sun causes the seasons. The other planets of the solar system also revolve around the sun in their fixed paths. So the 8 planets, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune, spin around the sun. Together with the sun, they make up our solar system. Mercury has no air around it. On his planet, it is very hot during the day and freezing cold at night. Venus is also known as the morning star or the evening star. It can be clearly seen in the sky early in the morning and just as the sun sets. So it is buried under thick, bright yellow, poisonous clouds. When astronauts look at the Earth from outer space, it looks like a blue ball and white ball. So the blue color which they see in the sky, but the Earth's oceans, they also see small bits of and land keeping out from the behind the clouds. The surface of Mars is like a dry rocky desert. It is known as the Red Planet. In 1997, the Mars Pathfinder space craft sailed to Mars, found that a part of the planet was once flooded with water. Jupiter is the biggest planet in the solar system. Saturn has 7 rings around its world, which are made of chunks of ice and rocks. When seen through a telescope, we can see the rich blue-green colorful of Uranus. So it has 11 rings which are made up of dark chunks of matter and are less visible than Saturn's rings. Neptune is farthest from the sun. Every 248 years, Neptune swings out past Pluto. So Pluto was considered a planet till a few years back. Pluto is a small, cold body in space. Not much is known about Pluto because of its great distance from the. Our closest neighbor in space is the moon. The moon is our satellite. Even human beings send satellites into space. So artificial satellites are the equipments that are sent into space to receive and send signals or to collect informations. Scientists control satellites from the Earth. Sputnik was the first artificial satellite to be launched into space in 1957 on July 1969. So astronaut Neil Armstrong became the first human being to set foot on the moon. It took him about 3 days to make the rocket trip from Earth. So after Armstrong, 11 more American astronauts have landed on the moon. So they explored moon's surface. The soil of the moon had no sign of plant or animal life in the past or present. So the rock they brought back had no chemical produced by living beings. The photos they took also showed no traces of life. So we know that there is no low life on moon. Astronauts training. Going out in space is not easy. That's why astronauts are given special training. First, some people are chosen as astronaut candidates. They are given classes on subjects like mathematics and physics. They are taught about the working of the systems in a space. Okay, shuttle. They are taught things like scuba diving and parachute jumping. They are taught to function in the elaborate space suits. They are made to fly in extremely fast 38 jets. So, those who are considered suitable are then trained to be astronauts. Then they are trained in shuttle mission simulator. Here they practice everything related to travel in space. So they learn how to launch, fly, and land spacecraft. In space, people and things float about. They cannot stand or sit in one place. Astronauts strap themselves to the spacecraft to stay in one place. Imagine what would happen if things on Earth also kept floating around. When we throw something up, it always fall down. So the earth pulls things towards itself with a force. This force is known as gravity. Astronauts are given special training to live in a place where there is no gravity. So the all topics are covered in this chapter. I hope you all are very well understand this. Thank you. We will meet you the next class.